Salman Khan's starrer Tube Light is one of the highly anticipated films of 2017. Tube Light recently released an emotional song, Tinka Tinka Dil Mera, which struck an emotional chord with all the fans and people are totally loving it. And one other person who also loved the song is Akshay Kumar. Well, Khiladi Kumar is now promoting his film Toilet Ek Prem Katha, and along with this film, Akshay also promoted Salman Khan's Tube Light on Twitter. Akshay took to his Twitter handle and shared the video of Tinka Tinka Dil Mera song and captioned it as "Hits all the right notes." Salman Khan's Tinka Tinka Dil Mera in Rahat Fateh Ali Khan's soulful voice. When an industry fan says good things about one's film, it just makes us happy, plus it urges us to watch the film. Tube Light has definitely created fan frenzy and we can't wait for June 23rd. What about you guys? Do tell us your thoughts in the comment section below.
ऐश्वर्या जी, मेरा एक सवाल है, मैं समीर परांज पे दिव्य मराठी से। आप मराठी पिक्चर में काम करने की सोच रही है क्या?
I can't see the gentleman. इतने flashbulbs हैं. जी नमस्कार. I would love to. I mean, I really would. So thank you very much for asking me right here publicly in front of the media. I started with a Tamil film. I started my career with a Tamil film, and I've always, very obviously, by my choices over the years, made it very clear that I am an actor, and it doesn't matter where the movie is being made or in which language or with whom or by whom. I've never been one to cater to all these expected norms. I've carved my own journey, and I think my career is proof enough of that. So of course I would love to work in Marathi as well as in any other language that a movie gets presented to me with, as long as the script excites me and I'm happy to work with the team. Of course, I'd love to.
चल चल रे भाई, चल ना तू, चलो भाई, चलो प्लीज चलो। अरे एक मिनट एक बच्चा चल निकल सब लोग। आजा प्लीज, चल धीरे धीरे चलते सर, सामने से लेना, आगे इधर से ले, सामने से चलते
मराठी फिल्म बघतेस का? आणि लेटेस्ट एखादी फिल्म आवडली कुठची मराठीतली?
लेटेस्ट मी कोणी पण पिक्चर नाही बघितले, नायदर हिंदी नो मराठी. लेटेस्ट मी कोणी पण पिक्चर नाही बघितले, नायदर हिंदी नो मराठी. लेटेस्ट मी कोणी पण पिक्चर नाही बघितले, नायदर हिंदी नो मराठी. I haven't recently watched many movies because I've just been a little personally occupied, so I haven't really watched many movies. So I'm sorry, I will not be able to belt out latest names for you. Way back in the past I have, but I'm not going to mention those titles because it's really way back in the past. Do I enjoy cinema? Of course, I'm an actor. We all enjoy cinema. So I hope to be able to answer that question on another forum.
Bollywood celebrities getting trolled on social media is quite a customary thing, especially when social media has become a rage. So when Salman Khan was asked about the same, his take on social media was somewhat stringent. The Sultan actor said that he has stopped reading Twitter and also wanted to discontinue it, but thanks to his PR team, they advised against it. Also, talking about the anonymous Twitter users who troll celebrities on Twitter, said that if they were his fans, they would have an identity. Are they so ashamed of who they are that they are hiding behind a nameless face? In fact, Salman even tracked a few of them down but did not reveal their identity as they didn't want to ruin their future. Now, isn't that thoughtful? Well, we really think that this Twitter trolling should stop. I mean, they clearly need to get a life. What say, guys? Anyway, do share your thoughts on this matter in the comment section down below.
मेरा सवाल है कि आप दोनों ने बचपन में कभी किसी की जासूसी किया या रियल लाइफ में आप में जासूसी वाले कोई क्वालिटी हैं?
हाँ है. Actually what happened is because the film was being made in parts, कभी कभी I would come to know that नहीं दादा shooting in Film City. So किसके साथ? रणबीर के साथ. मैं नहीं हूँ. मतलब दादा. So I would call Dada, what are you shooting? Or I'd ask one of the 80s, Dada, what are you shooting? So there was for me a lot of jasusi happening on this film because I think both of us wanted to be so much in the film and every frame because he was making it so well. So that was my jasusi on this film.
And Ranbir is the biggest jasus of the industry. कहाँ क्या हो रहा है सब पता है.
After 7 long years, the two Khan brothers, Salman and Sohail, will be now seen in Kabir Khan's Tube Light. But guys, however convincing may Sohail Khan look for the film, but do you know that he wasn't the first choice for Kabir to play the role of Salman's brother on screen? Yes guys, that's absolutely true. And guess who was offered the role before Sohail Khan? Well, let us disclose it to you. Kabir originally wanted to cast an A-list actor to play Salman's brother's role, and Akshay Kumar was one of the 3 names he had in mind while scripting it. Now, isn't that shocking? Kabir corroborate, instead of real brothers, I thought we should get another actor and create the chemistry on screen. But now Kabir is really happy that he casted Sohail in the film. वैसे, if Aki would have been in the film, it would have been once in a blue moon opportunity to see Aki, Sallu and SRK sharing the screen space together. Henna guys, what are your views about this? Comment them below.
So talking about clash, earlier your film, Dutt and Tiger Zinda were supposed to clash, but now it's moved to March 2018. Do you think when you do something like that, when you push a film's release date, it sends out a perception that you guys are not that confident about the product?
Well, I don't think so. I think a film has its own destiny. When a film is ready, you should put it out. You should put out the best version of the film. I've never played a part in when the film should release, it should clash with something, come on a holiday. Of course, Tiger Zinda is the biggest film of Indian cinema coming this year. And I'm sure the producers had really had, good meetings and understood logistics, understood budgets, understood how much this film can earn, cannot earn. And they've taken this wise decision. But I have nothing to play in this. I come in, my role is of an actor. I've been told, okay, now the film could come in March, it's not coming in December. And that's fine for me, as long as the film is good, as long as they're doing the best that they can, I'm happy with that.
Salman Khan's Tube Light is one of the highly anticipated movies of the year for reasons more than one. And now the makers have attached one more reason for fans to impatiently wait for the movie. Well, it is said that the teaser of Shah Rukh Khan's Jab Harry Met Sejal will be attached with Salman Khan starrer Tube Light. Yes, as per reports, the team has decided to attach the teaser of Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma's Jab Harry Met Sejal to the print of Salman starrer. It is said that the teaser of Imtiaz Ali's film will be ready by then for sure, as the film has been scheduled to release on 11th of August. Tube Light also stars Shah Rukh Khan in a special appearance, which makes it all the more special as Karan Arjun will reunite on the big screen after a long hiatus. Did this development raise your excitement? Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Salman Khan is super busy in the promotion of his upcoming release Tube Light. As we all know, the release date of Tube Light is just round the corner. He is attending every promotional event to promote his upcoming Eid release. On one such promotional event, when Salman was asked if he is planning to reduce the ticket prices for Tube Light, Salman quipped, saying, "In case of Jai Ho, we had cut down the prices. Our prices were Rs 250 and not the usual Rs 600 to 900. We ourselves had forgotten that we have reduced the prices of our films, and we were wondering why the response is so low. When people started calling it a flop and disaster, that is when we realized we had actually reduced the ticket prices of our films for the fans to watch. Now I have realized that under any circumstances I should not interfere with the pricing. I leave it to the right people and don't tell them anything now. So for Tube Light, it will be the usual prices that we have for all other Bollywood films. So that means reducing ticket prices for Tube Light is a no-no this time. Do tell us us what's your take on this and let us know your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.
Salman Khan's 2010 film Bodyguard was a super hit. The film broke many records upon its release, and since then, fans were eagerly waiting for the sequel of Bodyguard. In fact, producer Atul Agnihotri announced a sequel right after it was declared a hit at the box office. So that raised hopes to see Lovely Singh once again on screen. But now we have to break this to you because Bodyguard 2 has been shelved. Well, yes, earlier there were some reports suggesting that Salman will soon start shooting for Bodyguard 2, but now it has been finally shelved. According to sources, Atul Agnihotri was planning to make Bodyguard 2, but he dropped the idea to make it with Salman Khan. However, we also hear that Atul will soon make a film with Salman Khan in a Hindi remake of Korean blockbuster film Ode to My Father. As for now, an official announcement is yet to be made. But what do you guys think of this? Do share your thoughts below.
These days, the date diary of Salman Khan is pretty full. Couple of days back, the media was abuzz about Salman Khan's reunion with choreographer-director Prabhu Deva, while everyone was wondering that this reunion of the wanted actor-director would be for the second installment of 2008's box office hit Wanted. But now the word is Prabhu Deva has been roped in to direct Dabangg 3, though an official announcement is yet to be done. But Salman has confirmed that this reunion with Prabhu Deva is on the cards. Now, if the media reports are something to go by, then the film is expected to go on floors after the superstar completes shooting for Ali Abbas Zafar's Tiger Zinda Hai and Remo D'Souza's untitled dance film. So what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy. Salman Khan is leaving no stones unturned in expanding his Being Human Foundation. After launching a new range of Being Human e-cycles, Salman Khan's brand will now try their hands on smartphones. Yes, after exploring the clothing line, Salman wants to explore the tech industry by launching a new range of smartphones, Being Smart. Interestingly, even the industry experts are now receiving this new venture with cautious optimism. Talking about smartphones, Salman Khan said they have just started their entry into the category and they need to be careful. The Sultan star also said that they are starting the smartphones in small numbers and they hope to have minimized losses and maximum gains. Just so you know, Salman's smartphones will be at the mid-range level, likely to be priced between Rs 8,000 to Rs 20,000. Well, we are sure that Bhaijan's range of mobiles will be the most wanted ones. What say? Do share your thoughts in the comment section below.
Well, it seems like Salman Khan has finally ended up his rivalry with the Bollywood director Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Both have resolved their differences after a wait of 5 years. They will be working together in a film. The next project is said by all to be the Devdas of this era. It will be an intense love story with grey undertones. This is going to be huge, probably even larger than SRK's starrer Devdas. Well, it was the earlier Devdas which created the difference between two. Now it will be interesting to see if the new Devdas type film will unite the two in a new bond. The shooting of the film will begin soon after the completion of Padmavati. It will be interesting to see how this new love story will create magic. Tell us your views through commenting down below and subscribe to Bollywood Spy. Picture alert! A sun-kissed Suhana Khan's bikini picture gone viral. No wonder the internet cannot stop gushing over this latest snap of King Khan's daughter Suhana, along with Chunky Pandey's daughter Ananya and Sanjay Kapoor's daughter Shanaya. Most probably, the girls were out on a summer vacay when they got this clicked, which have you noticed how gorgeously these star kids have color coordinated their hot bikinis with a combination of neon and black? Well, it looks more than anything sexy. They look so much more aesthetic that you wouldn't even want to get to the sizzle bit and spoil it for them. So, what's your take on this? Don't you find these three little ladies pretty enough? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.
When Salman Khan confirmed his next dance-based film with choreographer-turned-director Remo D'Souza, it took everyone by surprise. First, the fans will see Salman Khan in a never-seen-before avatar as a professional dancer. Plus, he will be a father to a 13-year-old girl. This excited us, but we also wondered how will this film turn out to be. But Remo is leaving no stones unturned in training Salman Khan. In fact, Salman has even started prepping for it. On that note, during an interview with a leading daily, Remo said it is a dance film and Salman has been training in different styles. Without revealing much, he said all the dance forms will be a surprise for the fans. Remo further added that after Salman is done with the promotions of his film Tube Light, he will know his dates and then we'll go on the floors accordingly. Remo was pretty sure that Salman can pull off anything. As a dancer, he always does exactly as he is told by the choreographer. Well, no doubt Salman can do anything. What say you? Do share your thoughts below.
Salman Khan has always been praised a lot for his film Tere Naam, and the film was a massive hit of that time. While promoting his upcoming film Tube Light in Saregama Lil Champs, Salman recalled the incidents that led to the making of the film Tere Naam. He revealed that during that time, he was busy in shooting the film Shaadi Karke Fas Gaya opposite Shilpa Shetty, and there was a scene which was to be shot in the temple. Then something hit his mind and he immediately shaved his head there and called the producer saying, "You wanted a bald actor. Now I am ready for shoot. Let's begin shooting soon." And this is how Tere Naam began his journey. Quite interesting, isn't it?
Well, it seems like Kapil Sharma has not been able to hook the audience to his show even after a lot of efforts. The team is trying hard but all in vain. Ever since the ugly spat between Sunil Grover and Kapil Sharma took place, the popularity of the show has declined tremendously. Earlier there was a buzz that the show is to be replaced by Salman's Das Kadam, but since Salman is not available right now, the show got cancelled. However, Kapil's trouble still didn't end, as he had to bear a pay cut for his show now. Yes, it was said before that Kapil was about to sign a 110 crore deal with Sony, but now the money has been reduced drastically. In the fear of losing the show, Kapil has agreed for a lesser amount of money to be given to him. Well, we hope that Kapil can cope up with the hard times. What do you have to say about this? Do comment below. Wanna be a part of Salman Khan's Bigg Boss 11? Wanna be the next commoner to win the Bigg Boss? Here is the golden chance. Well, the 10th season of the popular reality show Bigg Boss took a huge risk by introducing a whole new format where, along with celebrities, commoners also entered the dreaded house. And not to deny, the risk did pay off well when we witnessed some contestants like Tantrum Queen Priyanka Jagga and self-claimed Godman Swami Omji on the other side. Eventually, the nation chose a commoner, Manveer Gurjar, as the winner of the show after the in-house battle of 3 months. Well, now, if you are also dreaming of entering the Bigg Boss house and making it big like Manveer, here is the opportunity knocking on your door. If the rumors are something to go by, then all the contestants of this year will be commoners. That means you have double the chances. So what are you waiting for? Go and take the auditions. Guys, what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy. Star kids have always been the talk of town, and when it comes to Shah Rukh Khan's daughter Suhana, everybody is way too interested. Though we have always seen that Suhana likes to stay away from the cameras. She is not very fond of public attention all the time and does not want cameras to be glued onto her. Her latest pictures where Suhana went out for a movie with her friends are proof of how she shies away from the cameras. She looked pretty in her outfit and was having fun, yet she was in no mood to entertain the cameras on her. She did not even bothered to look up towards the cameras, though she was captured even then. Well, we can understand how hard it is to be a star kid and lead a normal life. Isn't it true, friends?